right now, we're going to be doing a fidget spinner challenge, right, Jaden?
Yep.
Okay, so when I say go, you press the green thing. 3, 2, 1. Whoever spins the longest wins. I think mine's winning, Jaden. Mine's definitely winning because you're just slowing down.
You just too.
Alright, just don't touch them. And that's my phone. So, yeah.
I think it's gonna be tied. It's gonna be tied. Wow, this is gonna be tied.
It's spun for 53 seconds already.